Dear student, welcome to Standard 10th Mathematics 1. The first chapter is the linear equation in two variables. In previous standard, we learned the solving of linear equations in two variables by eliminating one variable method. And we also learned the practice set 1 from YouTube video. I think you can solve the practice set 1.1. Today we are going to learn solving a linear equations in two variables by determinants methods. Determinants. Determinants. A, B, C, D are the determinants, where A, B, C and D are the number of the determinants. A, B, C, D are the rows and A, C, B, D are the columns. That is A, B, C, D is equal to, आपण जर क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलं, when we cross the multiplications, AD minus BC, AD minus BC, the value of this is the value of this determinants. या पद्धतीने आपण याची व्हॅल्यू, या डिटर्मिनंटची व्हॅल्यू आपण काढू शकतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, A is equal to 5, 7, 3, 9. Cross multiplications, 5 into 9 minus 7 into 3. 9 5s are 45 minus 7 3s are 21 is equal to 24. The 24 is the value of this determinants. In this way, you can solve the another examples of this type. Next, determinants method. It is also known as Cramer's method because determinants methods of solving simultaneous equations was first given by the Swiss mathematicians Gabriel Cramer. So it is known as Cramer's methods. Cramer's methods. In these methods, ax plus by is equal to c is the general form of the equations. जेव्हा इक्वेशन्स आपल्याला दिले जातात त्यावेळेला ते आपण ax plus by is equal to c या पद्धतीने आपण राईट डाउन करायचं आहे. ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Suppose a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. This is our first equation and this is our second equation. So we have to first find out the d. What is meant by the d? D is the determinants of variable x and y, means a and b. a1, a2, the variable of x; b1, b2, the variable of y. dx. Instead of the variable of x, we replace the variable of x by c. Then we get c1, c2, b1, b2, and dy. Replace the variable, replace the coefficient, variables, the coefficient of x, replace the coefficient of y. In this dy, replace the coefficient of y. a1, a2, c1, c2. First we have to find out the x, then dx, and then dy. So x is equal to dx upon d, y is equal to dy upon d is the solutions of these two equations. आपण आता या पद्धतीचे गणित प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.3 practice set 1.2. We are going to solve a practice set 1.3. The first one. Filling the blanks with correct numbers. आपल्याला या ब्लँक मध्ये दिलेले आहेत, ज्या रिकाम्या जागा दिलेल्या आहेत त्या रिकाम्या जागेमध्ये आपल्याला करेक्ट नंबर फिल करायचा आहे. लेट अस से 3, 4, 2, 5, 2, 5 is equal to 3 into minus into 4 is equal to minus 8 is equal to. Filling the blanks. First cross multiplications. 3 into 5 minus 4 into 2 into 4. 2 into 4. 3 5 are 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 is equal to the 7. This is the value of this determinants. 7 is the value of this determinants. Example number 7. Find the value of the determinants. The determinants is minus 1, 2, 7, 4. Cross multiplications. Minus 1 into 4 minus 7 into 2. Minus 1 into 4 minus 2. Minus 7 to the 14. The value is minus 18. Similarly, the third one, 7 upon 3, 3 upon 2, 5 upon 3, 1 upon 2. Cross multiply 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 3 into 3 upon 2. So is equal to multiply numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 7 ones are 7 upon 3 twos are 6 minus 5 threes are 15 upon 3 twos are 6. The denominator is same, so 6. Subtract 7 minus 15 minus 8. Simplify. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6 and 2 fours are 8. Minus 4 upon 3 is the value of this determinants. In this way, you can solve the another examples of the determinants. We'll find the value of the determinants. Then the third one, solve the simultaneous equations by Cramer's rules. इथे आपल्याला क्रॅमर्स रूल अप्लाय करायचा आहे. इक्वेशन सॉल्व करताना क्रॅमर्स रूल्स आपल्याला अप्लाय करून त्याची x and y ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायची आहे. Solution. The first step. Solve the following simultaneous equations by using Cramer's rule. Cramer's rules वापरून आपल्याला ते इक्वेशन सॉल्व करायचे आहे. The first one, 3x minus 4y is equal to 10 and 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. Solution. First, 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. This is our first equation. 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. This is our second equation. हे ऑलरेडी जनरल फॉर्म मध्ये आपल्याला काही दिलेले आहे, त्यामुळे जनरल फॉर्म मध्ये आणण्याची गरज नाही. जनरल फॉर्म मध्ये ax plus by is equal to c is a general form of the equation आणि हे आपल्याला ऑलरेडी दिलेले आहे. So from first, the a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to minus 4, c1 is equal to 10. From second, a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to 3 and c2 is equal to 5. First find out the d. पहिल्यांदा आपण d फाइंड आउट करूया. It is AB. Remember that the d is equal to AB, dx is equal to CB and dy is equal to AC. AB means what? A1 and A2. B1 and B2 in this way. D is equal to AB, A1, 3, 4, B minus 4 and 3 is equal to cross multiplication 3 into 3 minus 4 into 4. 3 3s are 9 minus minus plus 4 4s are 16 is equal to 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. The value of d is 25. dx dx in dx, the column of coefficient x A1 and A2 means 3 and 4 is replaced by C1 and C2. C1 and C2, 10 and 5. So we get 10, 5, minus 4 and 3. 10 cross multiplication, 10 into 3 minus 4 into 5. 10 into 3, 30, and minus plus 5 4s are 20 is equal to 50. Value of dx is 50. Similarly, we can find d is equal to 25. dx is equal to 50. Remember this. dy is equal to the column of coefficient of y, b1 and b2 is replaced by c1 and c2. So we get 3, 4, 10 and 5. 3, 4, 10 and 5. So dy is equal to 3 into 5 cross multiplications minus 10 into 4, 3 5s are 50 minus 40 is equal to minus 25. So the value of dy is 25. So you can find out the x. What is the formula of x? The x is equal to dx upon d. The value of dx, substitute the value of dx, 50 upon 25, we get 25, 1 is 25, 25 is 50, so 2. The value of x is 2. Similarly, y is equal to dy upon d. Put the value of dy and d, we get dy is equal to 25 and dy is equal to the minus 25 and d is equal, the value of d is 25, we get minus 1. So the solutions of these simultaneous equations is xy is equal to 2 and minus 1. Another example, we can see another example, second one. I think we can understand the first example of solving a simultaneous equations by determinants of Taylor's rule. The second example.
Play.
Second, 4x plus 3y is equal to the minus 4. Minus 4 is equal to 0. And second one is 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y. 4x plus 3y is minus 4 is equal to 0 and 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y. Solution. 4x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. First we write the equations in general forms. So we get 4x plus 3y is equal to 4, the equation number 1. 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y, the another equations. this equation in general form. 6x plus 5y is equal to 8. The equation number second. From equation first and second, a1 is equal to 4, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to 4. a2 from second equation, a2 is equal to 6, b2 is equal to 5 and c2 is equal to 8. a1 is equal to 4, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to 4, a2 is equal to 6, b2 is equal to 5, c2 is equal to 8. First find out the d. AD. It is called AD, the coefficient of x and the coefficient of y. A1 4, 6, B1 3 and 5. Cross multiplications. 4 into 5 minus 3 into 6. 4 5s are 20 minus 3 6s are 18. So we get 2. The value of d is 2. dx. Replace the value of a by c. So we get 4, 8, 3 and 5. 4 into 5. 4 into 5 minus 3 into 8. 4 5s are 20, 8 3s are 24, so we get minus 4. dy. Replace the value of coefficient of y by c. So we get 4, 6, 4, 6, 4 and 8. 4, 8. 4 into 8 minus 4 into 6. 8 4s are 32 minus 6 4s are 24. 32 minus 24. 8 is the value of dy. So find out the x. dx upon the d is equal to, what is the value of dx? Minus 4 upon 2 minus 2 y. dy upon d 8 upon 2 is equal to 4. The solutions of these equations is minus 2 and 4.